Welcome to the open house tour. Now the best bit. Wow.
Is it alright if we just have a quick little look over here?
Look at this garden. Yeah. It's very cool.
Yeah.
Long bean sack.
Yeah, you can't eat those.
Oh, what palm trees?
Hiya.
What palm trees? Hello.
A phoenix palm or a date palm.
Hello. Is he?
And this is a bombax.
Okay.
That's a West Indian walnut.
Oh, okay. Oh wow.
And then lignombitis goes to the trees over there. I don't know what the trees are, but we always use those to shake them.
5 stomachs.
Yes. So let's go through the front.
Okay, cool.
Let me give you a full tour.
Alright, cool. Go on.
Follow
Lee.
the lady.
House is actually for
Hazel, go on.
For film.
it has been
Oh, wow.
videos and weddings.
Oh, wow.
So
Oh, look, there's a swing set there, guys.
there was a sunset.
That is a beautiful place to swing on a swing, to swing.
0.39 of an acre, so almost a third of an acre. It's fully canopied on purpose, so they have the cool shade and the privacy.
Beautiful. That's what you want. Spend half a lifetime trying to get these canopies, don't you?
Look how peaceful it is as well. It's like
Yes.
quiet
Yeah.
and calm.
It is beautiful.
This place has good old bones because it's actually 90 years old.
Wow.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Bless you, darling. Bless you.
So one of the original, so the roof was replaced after I done.
Okay.
We were nowhere near the Caribbean then, so I've never heard of Ivan. But it doesn't. Yeah, a long while ago.
Yeah, over 12 years ago.
T, can you come over here, please? Is it?
Blackberry.
Okay, $20. Come on.
Victoria.
Victoria. Let's follow Victoria in.
Right, so
Come on.
this is the front veranda.
Beautiful.
You don't have to take your shoes off, actually.
No, you don't take
I'm going to show you around inside. Come on in. So this is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath house. Currently going for, I'm going to let you guess the price. But yeah, it's got a nice, cool, calm feeling. Absolutely beautiful. Perfect family home. Follow us around.
cheese and chicken.
Nice.
So this family living, dining. Back room.
Sounds
So
lovely.
this is the primary bedroom.
Wow.
Walk-in closet.
That's
The
nothing.
window boxes. The window boxes are metal cages
Oh,
with,
wow.
with wood on the outside. So the outside is wood. So you don't know
Yeah, you got Venetian blinds on the outside. Yeah, and then nice window boxes. Cool.
Very nice.
So it has an old style.
It's a house with
Caribbean
character.
feel. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a beautiful.
Yeah.
Bathroom. It's pretty. A little loft. And this is the study.
Tea.
Another thing is, when they're
Oh,
renovating, they update.
It's follow Victoria.
Tea. Come
We're
on.
gonna lose her if we don't keep up with her.
Right. No, I'm gonna give you something to eat. Okay. Something.
So would you like a little snack?
Yes, I'm already out.
No, Victoria's not gonna show us that.
No.
Suits.
I installed a set of those in the last house, didn't I? In England.
A ladder in the outfit.
Yeah.
Right, guys, follow.
This goes on to the veranda.
Oh,
Does not have a closet, so but it's a nice guest room.
Lovely, yeah. Come on.
6. 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. So it's 150 asking.
I am.
It is negotiable. Alright. This does have a closet, this one. It's not huge, but it is big.
Yeah, you got it.
It is big, yeah. Good size.
Cool. Guys, come on.
So 1 other bedroom now,
How many bedrooms did you say?
4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms.
Guys, can you
So
leave?
there are 4 bedrooms ensuite and
Yep.
the 5th. So here's the kitchen.
Right, come in there, sweetie. Treat the toys.
Lovely.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Look at all the surface space.
it could use an update or it could use just a coat of paint
Yeah.
and counter.
Yeah.
And there's a lot
Space
more.
is
You
it?
could actually go up with more cabinets.
Yes, that's true. Yeah, there's a lot more space above, isn't there?
Yeah.
Lovely kitchen size.
Come on.
It's not bad. It has a lot of storage inside.
She went to England, obviously had me, had my brother, had my sister. She's still in England, but we love this kind of way. That's
And then there's a pool in the back. So
Yeah, let's go and have a look. Sounds.
when you shut up everything,
Yeah.
it's really gonna be hard for them to get to the
Yeah. Exactly.
Come on then.
They can't just.
right. And then you could have animals, not in the pool area, but you,
You guys love the
Yeah.
water, don't
and then
you?
lock them away from the pool. because
Yes.
This
Yes.
particular household, the grandchild to his brother. So
Yes.
she would be in the pool.
Yes. Now the best bit.
This is
Wow.
Beautiful.
And it has a timer, so it does. It
There you go.
runs.
I'll go in.
Yes, it is.
Wow.
So it has a very kind of old Caribbean Spanish kind of flavor.
Absolutely
Yeah.
beautiful. Wow.
So this only space we can see is the side of the house and
Theodore?
the terrace on the
Are we allowed to go
Yes,
up there?
you are.
Oh, we're allowed to go up
So
there.
you can see the water tank. It's
Theodore?
a big water tank. Wait, but you might see some fall and find something.
so beautiful.
You look so pretty. I love the hairstyle.
So look at this beautiful outdoor space. It's just perfect, nice and shady, just lovely and relaxing.
We could play sink and float.
That's very true. No, not right now, you don't. Not right. Hello. Come on, Hazel.
Mummy.
Come, Hazel.
Just watch your step.
Can you hold on to the side?
Yes,
and
hold
carefully go up. That's it.
These are not my favorite. These here.
Just bend a little bit. So you just stand on them, you'll be fine. Go on. Hold on now.
So up here, in terms of the electric work, you can change it up. For me, I will take a purple up here.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, just have another slightly roofed section, wouldn't you?
So, and then you could probably put solar panels here and here if you don't have the pergola.
Yeah, so they can't
So
see
got
them.
space for solar.
The two walls that you can do.
Yeah, this way. Stay right.
Yeah, definitely.
Almond tree.
I was gonna say, you got an almond tree here.
Look, guys.
One.
Theodore, come here. Look.
There's orange.
Almond.
Hazel. There's three mango trees.
Okay.
One is a Bombay, one is a Julie.
Lovely.
So the two best mango trees.
Yeah, so you're spoiled.
And the only thing they don't have is the East Indian, but I'm not a fan.
Okay.
Too much hair in for the East Indian.
The stringy.
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah, they are delicious. Stringies, aren't they? But they're a bit. Yeah.
And they stay free.
Yeah, and you got the whole drive as well,
Right,
so you
exactly,
can have
so
as
about 8
yeah,
cars.
exactly.
Right.
Theodore, come here. Stop putting leaves down there, darling. Leave the leaves. Here.
So this area,
Yeah.
you have the pool pump underneath there.
Cool.
So
Yeah.
no kiddies can run. They literally have to climb over that wall
Ah.
and go down the steps.
Okay.
You could put more grill if you want,
Yeah.
but they use this as the barbecue area.
Okay.
So they didn't
Tucked
barbecue
away.
by the staff is one.
Yeah, lovely.
And then you have the shed for all the gardening stuff.
Yeah, yeah. Nice shed.
So
Big
you see
shed.
the
Decent.
trees. It's not even a rubber
What is
tree.
that?
It has a big pod and it opens, it bursts and it opens to this like flower like.
Oh. The leaves, please. Leave the leaves, please. Theodore, listening. Leave the leaves, please.
But you got a lovely. There's a lovely
So
amount
yeah,
of
see
space.
there? It's like a shaving brush. type
Yeah.
Blossom.
Okay. I wonder why they would have. Wonder what they would have cultivated it for. I guess that for like the hair type fibers.
So there's another mango. I think that's an apple tree coming up.
Okay.
I don't know what that is. That's another fruit-bearing tree. This is the Bombay.
Yeah.
So the Bombay has longer leaves,
Okay. Yes, I can see.
and then over there in bloom is the Julie,
Yes.
and then that one I think might be a blackie or something.
Okay.
And this is the flame of the forest.
This.
This one is a grapefruit that we sell.
This. Yeah. Oh, it's a grapefruit. Cool. Yeah, well, you're spoiled. You got enough, haven't you, really?
All of this whole island. Got
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Go on, Hazel. Ask your question.
Yes.
You did well.
I think they just got her. Recycle.
Have a look at these.
Those might not be recyclable, but if you can get new swings.
Easily.
Can you recycle these?
Recycle what?
The swings is what
Oh.
you asked
So when I
Victoria.
chuck them,
He probably means mend, refurbish. This is beautiful though, this spot over here, isn't it? Under the tree.
Shade there is here. It's lovely.
Deceptive how much land there is around the house as well. Like there's a lot of space, isn't there?
It's a good sized house.
there's arbors and there's
Stop that bit.
wisteria.
Ye-
So when the wisteria comes up, like so, there's wisteria inside.
Yeah.
And on the arbor there, it's quite.
Wisteria is beautiful,
Yeah.
isn't it? Did you know? Yeah, it is. The only thing is, did you know that it's deadly poisonous?
Really.
Yeah.
You want to have one more look around?
Me?
Yeah.
Let's get down to the parking lot and then you can have water.
What? The Christmas? Is that a Christmas palm? Okay. Yeah, they're Christmas palms.
Is that what they call?
Yeah, you got Christmas, triangle, and then there's.
It looks like a hidden mango. So it's a big salsa like.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, you. Whoa, an apple bigger.
So what could you ask, guys?
champagne cola.
Here we go. That's nice there. We've got Victoria's contact details and just a bit more about the listing in here. Right, so let's just walk through and show you. Beautiful. So I was just saying that it's really shaded and nice and cool. You've got a beautiful veranda here at the front, just so much space with like a lot of seating. What is there here? I don't think I spotted any AC, but there's a ceiling fan. And just with that alone, it's really, really cool. You've got a nice white interior in here. Come, darling. Come, sweetie. And again, in here is absolutely beautiful. Lovely ceiling fan, nice and cool. Closet space. Wow. It's lovely. It's got so much character. And like the cross breeze you get in here is very nice as well. Like all the windows are open, the air's just flowing from the front. You spin you around to the back here. Beautiful. It is the back. And this centre space is lovely for like entertainment and for family functions. Hold on, darling. Absolutely beautiful. And look through here. Obviously, for me, the kitchen space always matters. But yeah, it's a good sized kitchen. I wouldn't say it's bigger than what I'm used to, so I would say it's big, but it's all personal preference. Would you say, Hazel?
I think it's small.
So I'm saying it's quite a big kitchen. Hazel's saying it's quite small. You'll have to let us know what you think in terms of size in the comments, but absolutely beautiful. Again, you can probably see like some of the cabinets need modernising, but again, to me, they're not bad at all. Not bad. You've got space for a nice like American sized fridge, big double doored fridge. Yeah, lovely. You can fit loads of kitchen appliances on the side. Yeah, good sized family kitchen, isn't it, Hayes? I don't think, did we go down here? Let's look down here. I don't think we actually went down here. Just be careful stepping down. Ah, so this leads out to the side here. So this is like a laundry space area, which I don't think we went through. You can see washing machine there, or it might be tumble dryer. What's through here? Some more storage space in this store. Again, more storage space behind me. Hold on, Hazy. Oh, this bathroom's nice. Again, we didn't come in here. It's a lovely, lovely shower room right here. Forgive me, I call all of them bathrooms, but shower room is probably more appropriate, but nice modern shower room.
This way.
Hold on a minute, Hayes. Such lovely space. Look at that pool behind me, beautiful. Come through, Hazy?
Are we finished it?
Yeah, we have. Oh, we've got a little TV set up on the wall. But yeah, again, cross breeze is beautiful. Come up here, Hazy. Follow mummy. Yeah, very nice. I know. Come this way, Hazel. Yeah. Really lovely space.
Mom, this way.
Lovely, lovely.
Mom,
Do you know, I can't get over how peaceful it is. Like, you'll never feel like this is situated in like the busy city of Kingston. It's just so calm and so peaceful. It's lovely. Really nice. And it's really nice lighting. Like, it's not too bright, but it's not too dark. It's got a nice, dim, calm lighting. Beautiful.